Too many mothers cry. Bullets that displayed from the devil taking innocent lives. It's time we get the devil out the eyes and the minds. I know you hear me rapping on another level, spirit of a time. It's time we bring back structure, unify the unity in our lost children minds. Misraised since they was young, came up with madness on their minds. And everything was not made believe, was made believe in their eyes. In the place where the government don't give a fuck about a black man's lives, in the game when the world while children die. They tell us have faith, but the president